What are we doing, man?
So I saw
Actually,
it
before you get started,
Yeah.
where are you guys coming from?
from Anaheim.
Anaheim.
Yeah.
Okay. How long is the
Yeah.
drive?
It's like 30 minutes.
Okay, cool.
That wasn't too bad.
And then how'd you hear about me?
Through a friend.
Oh, really?
See you. Yeah.
Who referred?
His name is Leo Cortez. I think he just came for his first time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
So good things.
Yeah, I've cut him up twice already. So.
Oh, okay, cool.
Are you from the dance center?
Yes.
Okay. Hell yeah, bro. Are you Mike?
Mike, yeah.
Okay, he's been telling me about you.
Okay, yeah, he told me, yeah.
Okay, hell yeah. What are you thinking?
So I like this like kind of like the style, but I feel like it's just falling kind of weird, you know. I kind of got a taper, and I feel like it's like kind of.
You're liking like the middle part style, no?
I like the middle part. I like how it falls forward a little bit too. I just want it to like fall nicer, and kind of like even out the top and the bottom. I feel like there's some like dips on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Too much weight, probably.
Probably, yeah.
What do you normally do on the sides and the back, bro? Around here.
Taper.
You do?
Yeah.
Low. Will you use skin or no?
Pretty low.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do skin or no?
I don't.
No skin.
I don't normally know.
Okay. What do you do? Like a 1, a half?
I'm not really sure.
No?
I'm not sure.
You have a picture by chance?
I don't. I just started like doing this style. Normally I would just throw it forward and like super.
So normally you don't do skin.
Okay.
Right?
I don't. No, normally I don't.
Cool. So normally you have it squared off on the sides?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like this length around the ears or no?
No.
You want to shorten it up?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm
I
thinking.
want it to look cleaner like around the sides. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
You still want to be able to like comb all of the sides backwards, right?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking either finger length or 3. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a 3, bro.
Okay.
From what I've seen, like with your hairstyle, a 3 is usually good length to go around. Do you still want to keep it squared or no?
I don't really care, to be honest. Like whatever you feel looks better.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can go both ways. If
Okay.
you're not comfortable with like skin, you don't have to do skin. If you want to try something new, you can. Really up to you. I'll leave it up to you.
Okay.
Some people don't like it, man. So that's why I say it's a personal preference, you know? What do you
I'll
think?
just look shorter or like sharper, or what would it look like?
It would just be short. So actually, it'd be kind of like this guy over here.
Okay, got you.
Yeah.
Got you. I think just like without the skin, just
Okay,
I want it
yeah.
to look like a little bit more natural.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So then we'll start to play with it. Okay. We'll start with the 3 to a 2. If you want to go shorter, we'll go 1.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you want to go even shorter, dude, we'll work our way down.
Okay.
Half, 0.
Okay.
Yeah. And then all of this will be shorter. How do you feel about the bangs?
I like the bangs. Like I like to have a little bit of hair in the front.
Are they too long? Do you like them?
I like them.
Huh?
Yeah, I just like. Yeah, I don't think they're too long. Maybe maybe a little bit too long. Because if I do throw it all forward, it just kind of like hangs
in
like
the
down
front?
here. So
Okay. Because I like it, bro.
Yeah.
I think once we lighten them up a little bit, they'll look even better.
Yeah.
But this is kind of good from
Okay.
what I see, like how you
Because it
came in your
curls a little
style.
bit too. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So a lot of the
I think so, yeah. All right.
the length would come off like right here.
Okay.
All this bulkiness, you know.
Yeah.
Back, keep it squared.
I think more rounded.
Rounded. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Natural, rounded.
Yeah.
Do you still like having some bulk here, bro? Or
I do
or
like
not
the
so
bulk
much?
in the back.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want it to flow nice and like fall nicely. That's the only thing.
Okay. It's just
When I
a
look
little
in the
bit.
mirror, like I see like dips, you know?
Really?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Maybe sometimes when it's like wet, I'm not sure.
Okay. I mean, it comes out a little too fast, but I don't notice anything crazy.
Okay.
It's really just like a weight thing, you know?
Okay.
Because this is good. This you got a lot of weight.
Yeah.
Partly from it, like, has it been lightening up in the front or no?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Partly I would say because of that. So if you keep the length in front, kind of keep this full, and then like less over here.
Okay. Cool.
Cool, man. So we'll go 3, 2, blend it up, remove the weight in the back, and then I think these will sit nicely. Cool. Yeah.
So good.